Vedantic mystical teachings is a space born not from conditioning borrowed ideas or any manipulative narrative, but from a sincere inner search for clarity, from an uncompromising honesty that looks directly at the mind without fear, without filters, and without pre-decided conclusions. Clarity cannot be taught. It reveals itself only when the noise within finally settles. This space does not exist to shape your beliefs, rearrange your traditions, or hand you a new identity to wear. Beliefs may comfort you, traditions may stabilize you, and identity may define you, but none of them can free you. Real freedom begins when a human being starts seeing the forces silently operating within him, his patterns, his impulses, his fears, his inherited voices, and the deeper intelligence that tries to shine through all of it. Here, you will not be asked to follow a teacher, submit to a doctrine, or surrender to a system. The only invitation offered here is simple, direct, and radical. See yourself. Watch your mind without distortion. Look at life without the fog of conditioning. Understand the machinery of your consciousness. For when a mind becomes clear, it becomes free from the invisible chains it never even realized it was carrying. And a free human being naturally becomes compassionate. Not as a virtue, not out of duty, and not as a moral effort, but as a spontaneous expression of an unburdened heart. Such a person becomes a silent light for others, not by preaching, not by persuading, not by controlling, but simply by being. This channel exists for those who value awareness over belief, truth over tradition, and inner responsibility over borrowed wisdom. If even a single illusion within you collapses while listening or reflecting here, the purpose of this space is already fulfilled. My intention is neither to impose conditioning nor to manipulate any narrative. Whatever is shared here arises from personal clarity, from years of observing life, mind, and consciousness in real time, without imitation, without borrowed authority, and without seeking validation. Vedantic mystical teachings is not here to control you, convert you, or condition you. It exists only to reveal the chains you already carry within yourself, chains woven from habit, fear, identity, and unconscious belief. This is not a place of beliefs, it is a place of clarity. Not a place of narratives, a place of mirrors. And if even one honest look into that mirror frees you, nothing more is needed.